you got, Jay?
I'm in.
What you got, Rich? Here we go. Well, good morning, and behind me isn't an illusion. I'm actually telling you that there is an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, and of course Steve's C63S that you guys have seen in the previous video to this. Both looking very clean. I'm not entirely sure why the guys are cleaning them a bit more, but both of these cars look absolutely unbelievable. The red on the Giulia is quite special, but then the C63 also looks equally as good, and I think Steve's absolutely smashed it with the black. In fact, where are the pair of them? Lads, slightly different combination of cars since the last road trip we've been on.
It is. Same combination of talent, though.
Yeah. So you guys have literally just pulled them. It's probably been with about a month of each other. You both bought new cars.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty close. Yeah.
So I'm excited to see what these cars are going to be like out on the road. So without further ado, I think we get in the cars, shoot some B-roll. Let's do this. Look who's turned up. Look who's turned up. Oh, hello sir. It's been a while since you featured on a video.
And they don't put the car in, it's dirty and there's mud all over the tyres.
Oh, well, we're going to do a proper car on your, proper video on your car at some point. Let's make this happen.
Awesome.
Do an exhaust rev for us, bro. Okay, that's rather loud. That's very loud. Andy's not coming with us for the drive. And actually, there's a few things I need to say to you. So things have developed. Unfortunately, you'll see that right behind me here, where the C63 was parked, it's not here anymore. Chris has joined us in the Porsche, but Steve's got some trouble. So he just let us know now he's had to leave. He's got a leaking intercooler, which basically means that his radiator will keep blowing. I don't know. But yeah, so we're losing out on the C63. Yeah, he wasn't lying when he said it's filthy. Mind you, my car always gets dirty quickly, but the F-Type R, for me, is it's a beast. It sounds incredible and looks the business. So yeah, definitely need to get a full video on this car. Sounds mean. Still sounds mean. Although the F-Type did just go crazy on the exhaust sound. It's been a while, Chris. A man of many words.
Just show how tight he's parked up against.
Yeah, that's a good point actually. I mean, look at this. Of all the ways to park, Chris is not a happy man right now. Look at that.
He clipped it as well.
Did he clip it?
He clipped it as well. No, he had the door on against the side of it.
Not a happy bunny, mind you. I wouldn't be either. But Racy J is looking good, looking good. If you guys, you guys who are long-term subscribers of the channel will remember this car, because we obviously took it to Scotland, and my word, did we have a good time. When I took the Abarth, we had the Ferrari California T and the Porsche Turbo, and yeah, this is mean machine. Lads on tour. Racy J looking good. Oh, I just realised you got the old CarPlay in this. That's pretty funky. I do like the Golf R. I really do. I think it's a nice place to be, and it's quick as well. Do you remember when we did the that 3-car launch just before we got on the ferry, and
Yeah.
you literally just went to town, dropped the launch control, and ate us all alive?
Yeah, I mean, I was lucky because the launch control definitely takes a good few seconds to get it going. So you could end up, you know, lights have gone green for 10 minutes by the time you pulled away sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah, nailed it that time.
I know, I was well impressed. I mean, I was just happy that I beat Richard off the line, but I looked left and you'd gone, completely gone. But yeah, happy memories from that road trip. We need to do another one this year, don't we?
Oh mate, I'm desperate for it. I need another car. I need another car for that. I need to up the ante a bit.
I mean, with what we've got in front of us here, it's yeah, we need to do something. But I think the key message as well is that although these guys have got some amazing cars, like reasonable, affordable cars can still do it for road trips. You know, it's not all about supercars and insane cars. So
nah, this thing's phenomenal.
It's quick.
It's really nice. It's handy. It's one of those cars that, you know, it's completely silent when you want it to be. It sounds good fun inside when you're going for it. It's nice and soft. It's grippy. I love it. It is really usable car.
It is usable power, and it's an estate, so you've got awesome boot space in this.
Yeah, I use it a lot.
You do. Hey, Jamie! Nice! It's got a nice grunt to it, this, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's as soon as you put it into race mode and just give it a little bit of good driving, it definitely gives you a nice race feel.
Yeah, no, I do like it. So as I said earlier, it's the first time I've been in a Golf R full stop, let alone in the car with you, mate. But no, I like the sound of it. I do like the sound of it. Finally a chance to stretch the legs on these cars.
What's my best mode?
Here we go. Golf R versus Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. This will be interesting. What you got, Jay?
I'm in.
What you got, Rich? Here we go. Oh my word.
I didn't see it. Jeez. Has he got what's that called?
Launch control.
Launch control.
Yeah.
Ferrari.
Oh yes, mate. I'm telling you what.
He's done that to
He
you
has.
before.
He's done it in the low. He did it in the. Oh, but my word.
Do you know what happened there? The stop-start kicked in.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
I know, the
it
car
had
was
to
off.
engage. I was like, what? But what? In dynamic mode?
Stop starting dynamic. Doesn't make
Feedback
sense.
for Alpha.
Come on,
Stop
Alpha.
starting dynamic?
Yeah.
Not having it.
But mate, once it got going, Jesus Christ, this thing was shifting.
Yeah.
This was shifting. The shakiness of my current camera quality. Oh my word. Oh man, that's insane. I'll tell you what, it it instills so much confidence. I mean, even as a passenger, I just don't feel I'm phased in this car.
No.
Great purchase, my friend. Great purchase. You want to go back and do that? Yeah. See, Jamie.
I need to Google launch control. I think there's a way to do it with sort of left foot brake.
Yeah.
I'm up to in race mode or something.
You have to, yeah, I think so. I think it might be similar to what the 4C had.
Yeah, it might
Dynamic or race,
Yeah.
it's got to be engaged, left foot brake, hold it, drop the left paddle down and you're gone. We'll explore that at some point.
Yes.
More videos to come on this car. I am enjoying being a passenger
Yeah?
because it does make a difference. I can actually film some stuff.
Yeah, less pressure again.
Big time, big time. This is fun. It's been a pretty sick drive, I must admit. It's just a shame that the weather isn't perfect because that view over the Devil's Dyke is absolutely insane. But The Golf R, I'm super impressed with it around those Swissy roads. I mean, it's been absolutely insane. The Giulia Quadrifoglio obviously just looks insane. I'm going to try and catch Rich before the end of the video to see what his thoughts were. This is his first real proper drive of the car as well. So yeah, and of course the Porsche. So it's just a real shame that Steve with the C60 AMG wasn't able to make it. But yeah, there'll be plenty more opportunities for Steve to come out in his car. So Rich, how was the drive down in the Giulia?
Great.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, really, really cool. Loved it. Too many cyclists, always.
What did I say that he would be like in the car? I did say Richard will be going absolutely mental about the cyclists on the road, but yeah, no. All in all, it's been a really good drive down. I've had a great time. Jamie's had a great time. Rich has had a great time. Chris, you had a great time? Yes, he has. Well guys, my name's been Steph and you guys have been awesome. Make sure to hit subscribe. More videos on Jamie's car, Richard's car and Chris's car on the channel if you haven't already seen them. So make sure you do, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.